Hi everybody. When I make my hats, I like to put fun pom-poms on them. And you can make your own pom-poms. It's quite easy, but I just don't have the time. Go on Amazon and I'll actually have a link in the description below for the pom-poms that I get off Amazon. Just a couple of the hats that I have made with my fun little pom-poms. And these are all made on the Centro knitting machine. Here is the pom-poms, and from what I remember, I believe there are 40 in here. And the price up on the screen, because I can't remember, I believe they were $9.99. But these are all the pom-poms you get. Just gonna take them all out. Now, when you get these pom-poms, you can pop these into your dryer, or you can hit them with a blow dryer. I just like to take them and just kind of roll them in my hands and get them all fun. And these are the ones come with the little elastic band on them. So when I'm making my Centro, I just pull it through, and then I just will pull the yarn that I have at the top that cinches my hat closed through a couple of times, and it holds it on there perfectly well. Some people put a button under here. I don't feel like you have to put a button. You can see clearly this stays up totally fine. This one's a little bit more floppy because this knit is very soft and malleable. You can see that. So I got the multicolored ones, so you get like this, I don't know, it looks like a little hint of pink in here. The purple, I love the purples. I love this blue. So you get a couple of blues, you get black, you get green, brown. They almost look like little animals. Now these are darker purple. And then look at this beautiful blue, like a royal blue. So we got these. I'm going to put these all together. And we got this really pretty blue color here. Keep hitting my camera. And then of course you get white. I like to put different colors, like this one again I'll use as an example. I just like the contrast of these. You can put pink. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't put blue, but you could even put this color. Look how pretty that would look. So I just like the variety of these. So it's cost effective. You can buy faux fur at like Joann's or Michael's, and you have to buy the filler. Here I just buy the big bags of the filler. I believe this is like $7 at Michael's, so you need to get the stuffing. And then I find trying to find the fur at Michael's or Joann's is a little bit harder. You might be able to find it online, but I want to be able to see it and feel it to see if it's something that I would want. And then I think basically it's a 4" by 4", and you cut it into a square, and then you bring the it into a ball, and then you stuff it, and you essentially make a pom-pom. I just don't have the time, so I just order these from Amazon. So I just wanted to show you. These are great, very cost effective. So if you're selling these, your hats with pom-poms, make sure you figure out the cost per hat, per pom-pom, so you can price accordingly. So I hope this was helpful. The link below, and have a great night.